you might be noticing some of these common signs of differential settlement in your home. Cracks in walls, misaligned doors, sloping floors, and cracked foundations. Settlement occurs when the soil under a footing compresses, consolidates, or slowly moves down a hill. There are several causes of soil change during original construction or during construction of an addition. Oversaturation, the drying of clay, inadequate or non-uniform compaction, added weight, and hillslide. Many Southern California homes were built on expansive soil that can shrink significantly as it dries from being oversaturated. And this can be the result on your home. The various stresses can result in moving stud walls and rafters, causing the nails to be pulled from boards and the structure of your home to weaken. When foundation settlement occurs, we recommend stabilizing the foundation to prevent future stress occurring from future settlement or future seismic events. If the damage is in the moderate to severe range, it's also possible to lift the foundation to relieve the stress that has already occurred and prevent future settlement. Traditional eccentric push piers and helical piles are very common, but also come with problems, like attaching to the side of the foundation. They also have a tendency to buckle over time. Engineers refer to it as Euler buckling, named after the Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler, who developed the formula. What does it mean to you? If there's too much force, an eccentric shaft will buckle. And that's why we have the one-of-a-kind Wells Concentric pier, only found at Professional Foundation Repairs. The Wells Concentric pier is positioned under the footing of your home. Then, we hydraulically push a double shaft of Schedule 40 piping down to strata. Competitor piers only use a single shaft. The load capacity has been independently verified by a third-party hydraulic load testing lab at 105,000 pounds. Others eccentrically mounted piers and piles only resist about 50% of that due to the single shaft and have a tendency to buckle. After years of supporting your home, your piers could either look like this or this. When it comes to supporting your home's foundation, reach out to the experts at Professional Foundation Repair. We save homes.